Hello, guys, welcome to Crypto Global. In this video, I will go through the basics of what is Bitcoin and how it works. You can use the information in this video for your own Bitcoin trading or investing, but is not financial advice. On this channel, Crypto World, I make one video every single day about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. I will also share with you the most relevant news for Bitcoin mining, investing and trading. You will also learn how to make money every day through cryptos. You will learn more about cloud mining and the best sites available. Please subscribe now if you are a Bitcoin fan and leave thumbs up and comments below to support my free videos. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a consensus network that enables a new payment system and a completely digital money. It is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middlemen. From a user perspective, Bitcoin is pretty much like cash for the internet. Bitcoin can also be seen as the most prominent triple-entry bookkeeping system in existence. Who created Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first implementation of a concept called cryptocurrency, which was first described in 1998 by Wei Dai on the cypherpunks mailing list, suggesting the idea of a new form of money that uses cryptography to control its creation and transactions, rather than a central authority. The first Bitcoin specification and proof of concept was published in 2009 in a cryptography mailing list by Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi left the project in late 2010 without revealing much about himself. The community has since grown exponentially with many developers working on Bitcoin. Satoshi's anonymity often raised unjustified concerns, many of which are linked to misunderstanding of the open-source nature of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin protocol and software are published openly and any developer around the world can review the code or make their own modified version of the Bitcoin software. Just like current developers, Satoshi's influence was limited to the changes he made being adopted by others and therefore he did not control Bitcoin. As such, the identity of Bitcoin's inventor is probably as relevant today as the identity of the person who invented paper. Who controls the Bitcoin network? Nobody owns the Bitcoin network, much like no one owns the technology behind email. Bitcoin is controlled by all Bitcoin users around the world. While developers are improving the software, they can't force a change in the Bitcoin protocol because all users are free to choose what software and version they use. In order to stay compatible with each other, all users need to use software complying with the same rules. Bitcoin can only work correctly with a complete consensus among all users. Therefore, all users and developers have a strong incentive to protect this consensus. How does Bitcoin work? From a user perspective, Bitcoin is nothing more than a mobile app or computer program that provides a personal Bitcoin wallet and allows a user to send and receive Bitcoins with them. This is how Bitcoin works for most users. Behind the scenes, the Bitcoin network is sharing a public ledger called the blockchain. This ledger contains every transaction ever processed, allowing a user's computer to verify the validity of each transaction. The authenticity of each transaction is protected by digital signatures corresponding to the sending addresses, allowing all users to have full control over sending Bitcoins from their own Bitcoin addresses. In addition, anyone can process transactions using the computing power of specialized hardware and earn a reward in Bitcoins for this service. This is often called mining. To learn more about Bitcoin, you can consult the dedicated page and the original paper. Is Bitcoin really used by people? Yes. There are a growing number of businesses and individuals using Bitcoin. This includes brick-and-mortar businesses like restaurants, apartments, and law firms, as well as popular online services such as Namecheap and Overstock.com. While Bitcoin remains a relatively new phenomenon, it is growing fast. As of May 2018, the total value of all existing Bitcoins exceeded $100 billion, with millions of dollars worth of Bitcoins exchanged daily. How does one acquire Bitcoins? As payment for goods or services. Purchase Bitcoins at a Bitcoin exchange. Exchange Bitcoins with someone near you. Earn Bitcoins through competitive mining. While it may be possible to find individuals who wish to sell Bitcoins in exchange for a credit card or PayPal payment, most exchanges do not allow funding via these payment methods. This is due to cases where someone buys Bitcoins with PayPal, and then reverses their half of the transaction. This is commonly referred to as a chargeback. How difficult is it to make a Bitcoin payment? Bitcoin payments are easier to make than debit or credit card purchases, and can be received without a merchant account. Payments are made from a wallet application, either on your computer or smartphone, by entering the recipient's address, the payment amount, and pressing send. To make it easier to enter a recipient's address, many wallets can obtain the address by scanning a QR code or touching two phones together with NFC technology. I hope you have enjoyed this educational video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more future videos regarding Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies.